through technology-driven innovation and pursuit of quality and excellence. Nanhua Instruments is committed keeping the sky blue by protecting an eco-friendly life. Nanhua Instruments' main objective is to improve the environmental monitoring and vehicle inspection activities in China. Founded in 1996, it has made available an industry chain ranging from R&D of components design and manufacturing of single units and system product, and a full-course technical support to after-sales services. Aligning with needs of building motor vehicle inspection stations, rendering a one-stop service for uninterrupted monitoring of stationary pollution sources, and aiding law enforcement in environmental protection, Nanhua Instruments can provide additional technical support. Its products have been extensively developed for motor vehicle inspection, environment monitoring, car making, car repairing, using in research-oriented universities and institutions, and pollution source emission monitoring in other industries, as well as having a hand in creating some national monitoring codes. Impressive, sophisticated technique is the endowed gift of Nanhua. Thanks to training sessions and engagement over the years, Nanhua has been served by an innovation-driven, experienced, complementary R&D team of around 100 members who are specialized in precision machines, automation, and intelligent areas, maintain the presence as industry leader in respect of technology and scale. In the past 2 decades or so, capitalizing impressive R&D and innovation capabilities and outstanding skills of software development and application, Nanhua has been granted many honors. These achievements see its sustained efforts to seek innovation and revolution. Reliable quality is believed to be the business card of Nanhua. With specialized and modernized shop floor and product lines intended for vehicle inspection and environmental monitoring, Nanhua is highly committed to providing customers with a full-scale, in-line monitoring system management platform and solution. In the meanwhile, erecting a full set of management systems featuring good management practice can ensure quality level and yield results. PLM system is applied on the product design end, enhancing the standard and generalized feature of product design. With respect to in-house operation management, it has activated a hierarchical system to seek economy and fuel on the standard development. Nanhua has been awarded many certification systems which shows our craftsmanship for products of excellence. Win-win solution means a valuable asset to Nanhua and a driver for development. Sources from the service-oriented business policy and highly competent team, dedicated service, aspiration, and integrity Nanhua Service Network, comprising offices located in over 20 provinces and regions. Its designated specialists can respond to the customer needs in the nearest point and as soon as practicable, as well as they are able to out themselves in the position of customers. Driven by market needs and group development, Nanhua stays true to its original aspiration and adheres to the values featuring sophisticated technology, reliable quality, proper order of management practice, dedicated service. All our efforts to fuel the development of China's motor vehicles and environment monitoring activities, Nanhua Instruments ambitiously and steadfastly moves ahead.